Come, Johan, boy. Come. Ikaw na mag-git kayo. Don't blow ya, Mari, ha? We need to say happy 10th month, Johan. Okay? Happy 10 months, Johan. Okay, wait lang. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Happy 10 months, Johan. Uy. Kiss Johan, dali, kiss Johan. Okay, blow na. Wow! One more? Andun yung ano. Wait lang, kiss lang. Wait lang. Wait, kiss Johan. Okay.
Ay, nalis mo na?
Sit down. Wait lang, cannot see. Again, you say happy 10 months yun and then kiss ha. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait.
Sige na.
Happy
10 months, Johan. Kiss Johan, dali. Sunog yung kamay ni Johan. One more, Papa, kay. Tinan mo kamay ni Johan. One more. Wait, I will give you Johan.
Sige na, okay na yan. Tingnan mo natin.
Isa pa. Last na. Para ano kasi nasunog yung pangalawa. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy 10 months, Johan! No! Okay na. My shoes. Okay, Mari. I will go there because Johan is here. Come. Johan!